Hello my dear friends, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. So today we are going to make something unique, something different accessory of pearl, which is this beautiful layered pearl necklace. So when I wore this necklace, I feel something different and something, you can say, ajib. But when I actually wore this, it is really looking very beautiful. So I am definitely going to wear this at any function or any wedding at my place. I hope that you will enjoy this tutorial and definitely try to make this layered necklace at home. If you face any issue while making this necklace, do let me know in the comments below so that I can solve that issue and others can also learn from that. And if you like this tutorial, do give the thumbs up. If you are following my channel for a very long period of time but haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing and unique jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. And now let's get started. So the material required is glass beads, pearl beads 3 mm, these are 5 mm, laria, chain, then jump rings. These are I guess 0 size golden beads. Then basic material, that is cutter, plier and scissor. Then a beading wire, this necklace hook, and these are lock beads to lock the necklace. So first of all, we will make a square. We will make a bunch of pearls like this. So for the same, I am taking this laria and I'll cut this in two. So I'll insert one pearl bead in this. I'll insert one golden bead first. We are inserting golden bead because this is very small, and if you directly insert a pearl in this, it will fall down. Like, see, if I am inserting a pearl, it will fall down. So that's not the proper way. So for the same, I am inserting a golden bead and then we'll insert a pearl bead, and we'll make a loop here just by moving it, and then wrap it here to make a L'Oreal kind of bead, but this pearl is very big. So to make this bunch, we need 10 pearls. So this is first, and I have already made 9 pearls, L'Oreals, and we'll now add them in jump ring. So I'm taking one jump ring and I'll open this one. I'll add this 10 in this. Okay, now with the help of plier, I'll join them. Okay. See, now we come to know that we have to join this very carefully, as this size of this laria is very thin, so it will come out very easily. And to avoid that, we will make sure to wrap them very correctly and won't leave any space in this. So make sure to do the same. Okay, so you see now there is no gap left. So for one chain we need 3 bunches of them. So I already made them. Now we will make a big line of the same. So for this, I am taking this necklace chain, and so you can see there are loops in this. So we need small section of 20 loops. So I'll measure 20 loops and then we'll cut them. So I have cutted one. Similarly, we have to take 2 more. Okay, so I have cutted 3. Now we will attach these pearls using jumping to this. So you may see background noises if I didn't filter the sound. So I'm adding a jumping to any end of this chain, and again I'll add this one in this. So remember, I'm not opening a jumping as we added to this because otherwise the pearls will fall down, and I don't want to increase the time duration of making this necklace. So I will add it here. Okay, close it very properly. Take your time and do that, but make sure that there is no space remaining between these two. So this is our dangle. Now we will add it here. So for the same, I am again taking one jumping. So now there is a trick here which I discovered yesterday before making this necklace. So I am taking this one. I'll add one hoop here, bunch of pearls here, and again I'll add this chain so that later I don't have to open this jumping again to insert this necklace chain, and close this one. So this gets closed very easily. So see, we have added these two. Similarly, we will do to another one. So I'll show you that one also. Open the jumping and add it to this last end. Now add this bunch of pearls and add this one and add this chain. This is the last chain. Okay. Close this one, and this is the main design of our necklace. Now we will add this to beading wire. So for the same, I am adding this jump ring, and I will close this correctly. So this necklace has 5 layers. So this is the smaller middle one, then these are the next to this, and this is the middle. This is the end. Now we will just simply attach this to beading wire. For this, I am taking this beading wire and I'm not going to cut this first, but I'll remove some extra some part of it, and I'll again wrap it here. Okay. Now I'm going to take these beads, golden beads, and I'll insert 10 golden beads first. Let's make it 15. I'm adding 15 here. Now I'm taking this last chain of pearls and I'll add them. Now again I'll add 5 golden beads. Again I'll add this bunch of pearls, and I'll repeat the same process for the whole. That is, I'll add 5 golden beads, and then we'll add this middle section. Okay, so I have added 15 golden beads here also. Now first of all we will join this necklace. For the same I am taking this log bead and I'll take one jump ring. So first of all I'll insert 2 log beads. I'm doing this to secure it properly, and fold this beading wire here, and again I will insert this log bead. Okay, with the help of plier we will press these ones and firmly that they get attached properly, and we'll repeat the same here. So we have done. You can cut this extra part, otherwise it will be irritating for the one who will be wearing it. And with this our beautiful earring necklace is ready, but we forgot to insert this one. So I close this. Now I am again taking one jump ring and I'll open that, and in this one I'll add this necklace hook. If you want, you can add a necklace dori or a lobster hook also. Okay, so we'll see how it is looking, and just turns out to be pretty, and you can use it for your functions as mehndi or haldi. And yes, for the earrings, so I have made the look like this, and again with the help of jump rings I added earring dangle in them. So these are our beautiful earrings are ready. One disclaimer here that initially we made a neckline of only these beads, but when I try to wear this is not enough to cover my neck, sides of my neck. So what I will do is will add this necklace dori. So there was a ring here, so we'll open this. So I'll open this, and we'll insert it here in this. Okay, so similarly I will repeat the same process here. Now we don't want to insert it in this. So I will insert the jazoshi first, and then we will add it. Okay, so now our necklace is ready. Do let me know how you like my necklace. A fusion necklace you can say. It is a very difficult design I have ever made. I hope that you found this video helpful, or if so, please go ahead and like it. Share it with your like-minded friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also you can put your valuable feedback in the comments box and let me know what would you like to see next. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.